Hi, I'm Diana Rice, a child nutritionist and registered dietitian. For many families, Lent often brings a shift at the dinner table. And this year, parents are turning it into an opportunity to try something new. For picky eaters, the goal is simple: make mealtimes feel easier and a lot more fun. I'm partnering with CPAC to show families how Lent can be a great season for discovery. When kids see foods that look and taste familiar, like the crunch of a crispy fried shrimp, they feel more comfortable giving it a try. For families navigating picky eating, these moments add up. A CPAC survey found parents spend an average of 67 hours a year negotiating with their picky eaters. When food feels approachable, it lowers stress for everyone. Familiar flavors help kids say yes more often, and those positive moments can make seafood a feel-good part of family meals during Lent and beyond. So this Lent, swap giving up for try this. Learn more at cpac.com.